Good afternoon and welcome to WordPress Basics Lesson 1. Today we're going to be learning how to create your very first post. So to get started, first thing you're going to do is you want to get to your WordPress dashboard. And we're going to go ahead and find the post option, which is here on the left panel. We're going to go ahead and hover over posts. And when we do that, we see these 4 different options here. We see all posts, add new, categories, and tags. To add a new post, we're going to simply click Add New. Okay, and now we can begin creating our new post. So we're going to come up here to the title, and we're going to find a unique title for the post. So my very first post will be our title. I'm going to go ahead and click Enter. I can also come over here and save the draft manually. That will go ahead and create our post. And we can see here now we have a permalink here called My Very First Post. It's followed up by the category it's in, because that's how we have it set up in settings. I can show you how to change that in a future lesson. If I want to change just my very first part of the URL, I'm simply going to click Edit, and I can just make it my first post instead. You just want to make sure that these are unique. If it is not unique, WordPress by default will add a -1 or a -2 to the end of the name. Okay, so down here, now we can go ahead and start adding content to our page, and you can add whatever you'd like. Over here, you can do the visual editor, or you can just go into text mode if you'd like to use HTML or put in any other kind of code. It's much easier to use the text mode. So we'll go ahead and put in a little bit of content here. This is my very first post. And we'll also come over here and add, just for fun, we'll go ahead and add a picture. We can see that there's different options up here. To add a photo, we go to Add Media, click the Add Media button. And this will bring up our media library and all the photos that we've previously uploaded. If you'd like to upload a brand new one, simply go to Upload File and select File from your desktop. We're just going to go ahead and add a image I already added. And then we're going to come over here and insert into Post. Okay, and that adds that here. We can see that the image link is here. We'll go out of text mode and go to the visual editor, and we can see what it's going to look like on the front end. And now we're going to come up here. We're going to go ahead and save this again to draft. That will save your changes without actually publishing it to the site. And to see what it's going to look like, we're going to go ahead and click Preview. Okay, and now we get a good idea of how it's going to look. We see we have My Very First Post, we have the date it's been posted, we have the content, and the new picture. So I'm pretty happy with that. So I'm going to come back here, and I think I'm ready to go ahead and publish. So I'm going to come over here back to the Publish settings. I'm going to go to the Publish button, click that. Okay, and we can see that now it is added. We can see that there's a View Post link is here. That lets us know it's now published on the site. We can go view it either by clicking View Post, or you can click directly on the permalink. We'll go ahead and view post. And we can see now that it's live on the site. We see our URL is now active, and we can put that anywhere we'd like to view the site, and visitors can now come and see it. Well, now we've went ahead and created our first site. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next lesson.